Do you know many people are having trouble with cleaning the filter on their Amana washers? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Remove items. Open the washer door and remove any clothing or items from inside the washer. Step 2. Inspect seal. Inspect the gray seal between the door and the drum for stains, soil, or lint. Pull it back to check for foreign objects. Step 3. Wipe seal. If you find any stains, soil, or lint, wipe the seal using affresh machine cleaning wipes or a diluted bleach solution. Step 4. Use affresh wipes. For affresh wipes, gently pull back the rubber door seal and clean its surface with the textured side of the wipe. Step 5. Apply bleach solution. For a bleach solution, mix 3/4 cup of bleach with 1 gallon of warm water. Wipe the seal with a damp cloth. Let stand for 5 minutes, then dry. Step 6. Wear gloves and dry. Wear rubber gloves when using bleach, and leave the washer door open to air dry after cleaning. By following these steps, your Amana NFW5800HW washing machine should be running smoothly with a clean filter. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Amana users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.